Welcome to the strange case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde in a nutshell. Lawyer Gabriel Utterson investigates strange occurrences between his old friend Dr. Henry Jekyll and the evil Mr. Edward Hyde. Utterson's friend, Enfield, recounts the tale of Hyde trampling a child, and later one of Jekyll's clients is murdered in the street. Utterson suspects Hyde and concludes that Jekyll is protecting him. Jekyll isolates himself in his laboratory. Worried, Utterson breaks in to discover Hyde dead by suicide. He finds a letter from Jekyll explaining how he managed to divide himself into two characters and how he killed himself to protect others from the uncontrollable Hyde. The novella was written by Robert Louis Stevenson in 1886. Stevenson had long been intrigued by the idea of how human personalities can reflect the interplay of good and evil. Inspiration may have also come from the writer's friendship with Edinburgh-based French teacher Eugene Chantrel, who was convicted and executed for the murder of his wife in May 1878. The novella is frequently interpreted as an examination of the duality of human nature, usually expressed as an inner struggle between good and evil. The work is also commonly associated with the Victorian concern over the public and private division, the individual sense of playing a part, and the class division of London. The idea of monstrous creations links to Frankenstein, whilst the internal struggle between good and evil reflects Mina's actions after she's bitten by Dracula. Duality and the conflict between appearances and reality link to the metamorphosis stories in The Bloody Chamber. Read the final chapter. How does Stevenson present Jekyll's transformation into Hyde? What was the public reaction to the text when it was published? Research Freud's theory of identity and think about a psychoanalytical reading of the text.